Royal Caribbean Cruise Line has recently announced that it will be home porting its cruise ship Anthem of the Seas at Southampton for the summer of 2021 and will be giving away 999 cruises on its first sailing. The 999 cruises will be in recognition of the tremendous efforts of the emergency services, National Health Service, NHS, social care sector and armed forces over the last year. Royal Caribbean will offer 999 free staterooms on its first ocean getaways to those UK residents in those professions. Pre-registration for guests eligible for one of the 999 free staterooms open on April the 13th, and final names will be drawn from a ballot by the end of April. The ship will be sailing with fully vaccinated crew. The cruises at this time will be only available to UK residents above the age of 18 who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 and those under the age of 18 with negative test results. The Anthem of the Seas will sail from Southampton on 4, 5 and 8 night sailings. The cruise ship will begin sailing on July the 7th, 2021, and these newly announced cruises will open for bookings on April the 7th.